In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete teams in Figma. If you are cleaning up your workspace or consolidating groups, deleting a team can help keep things organized. Before we begin, a quick but important note: only team owners or admins have permission to delete a team, and once it's deleted, the action is irreversible. That means the team and its contents will be permanently removed, so proceed only when you are absolutely sure. Start by opening Figma, either in the desktop app or in your browser, and sign in to your account. From your main dashboard, navigate to the specific team you want to remove. You can find your teams listed in the left sidebar or from your workspace home. Take a moment here to double-check you've selected the correct team. Look at the team name and make sure it matches the one you intend to delete. This small pause helps avoid mistakes you can't undo later. Once you are on that team's page, look for the drop-down menu located next to the team name at the top. This menu contains actions that apply to the entire team. Click the drop-down and from the list of options, choose Delete. Figma will display a confirmation prompt to ensure you are not removing the wrong team by accident. To confirm the deletion, Figma requires you to type the team's exact name. Enter the team name exactly as it appears. Watch for spacing, capitalization, and any punctuation, then confirm. This confirmation step is designed to prevent accidental deletions. So take your time and verify that everything matches before you proceed. After you confirm, Figma will permanently delete the team. Because this can't be undone, it's wise to make sure you no longer need the team structure or any of its contents. If you are an owner or admin and you don't see the delete option, it may be due to your current permissions or where you are viewing the team. So revisit the correct team page and ensure you are using the drop-down next to the team name. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.